Hello everyone. Now today I'm revealing deep secrets about my channel to you. Now welcome everyone. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, this is King's Classroom. And on today's episode, I want to tell you how to upload your videos on YouTube to get more views. Episode 1. Now, do you know that you might be missing out a lot on a tons of views and revenue generated on YouTube simply because you are not uploading your videos the right way? Now, if you follow this my step-by-step strategic method, you should be able to increase your views when you upload the right way. Now, I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes so that it doesn't bore the viewers. Now, so let's go. Step 1. When you are about uploading your videos, you should check for the file name. Okay, now this, I don't have any file name, but let me just quickly go here and show you. Let's say, for example, I want to upload a video. Let me go here. Let me go to my own channel. Now, for example, I want to upload a video. And now let me select a file. You can see that in my videos, there are so lots of video name that is saved as. You can see about the one I did about 10 meets done. You can see, so already in that video I had already uploaded my file name as 10 meet done. Now this will help the algorithm know something about you, especially if you are a new channel, because for you to compete about this new compete with these bigger channels, you don't have data at all. Now this algorithm doesn't know a lot about you, so you should be able to give them details of everything you are doing. You understand me? You should give them a detail so they have a data to fall back on and work with you. Because when you're already a big channel like this, they know what you're about. If it's a football highlights video channel, if it's an African folktale channel, they know what you're about to do. Now, number 2, on YouTube search, let's assume you're uploading your videos on YouTube search and you want to, for example, upload something about African folktales. Now, let's go back here and go to YouTube again. Now, YouTube, I don't want to use that page to teach you or something, so I don't want to remove it. Now, take for example, you want to upload about Google AdSense. Now, this is what most people are searching for now on Google AdSense. Now, this should be in your tags. Check about YouTube search. You should copy everything. Google AdSense in Nigeria, Google AdSense, Google AdSense our website. All this, copy it in your tag. Now, for the folktale niche, I'm going to go to African folktale. On YouTube search, sorry. You go to African folktales. You can see African folktales. Now, in search, folktales. Now in search, this is all so many people are searching about African folktale stories, queen, short stories. You should be able to jot all this. If it's to get in your notepad, I would have begun to do all this, go to my notepad and save it and search and all of that, but it's going to take our time. I just want this video to be short as much as possible. Do you know that when you do this, it increases your ranking? I'll show you. Now, because I'm a big channel, I skip most of all these things because I know I have subscribers to back them up. But you as a small channel that don't have subscribers, this is something about the data. You understand? You should take precautionary measures. Now, your thumbnail is another thing. The file name of your thumbnail, if you check, look at my thumbnail, you should be able to create, you should be able to create a very, very attractive thumbnail so that your viewers and your subscribers will be able to reach out to the algorithm will be able to push out this thumbnail. Like for example, let me show you my thumbnail. Look at my downloads. My thumbnail, you can see my thumbnail, 4 ways to make money here. My thumbnail, I almost sure that I record it, I save it in something related to what I'm doing. So you should check for all those things. Your video files, your video file, what you saved it as, and as your thumbnail to what you saved it as. Your videos too, if you want to get more views on YouTube on your videos, especially if you're creating something about African folktale or something, you should add a hook. You understand? Maybe a king married his wife's sister and he made the right choice. The first thing your video should be about is a slap. Maybe the king slapped one of the bride. This keeps viewers hooked. This makes them, let's know what's happening here. Let's know what's making you understand. I don't know if you understand. This helps you to grow your views. Now the next thing you should go to is tags. Look at my video. You should just put a very short description and put a call to action. Always put a call to action in your video. Another thing you should do is put a call to action. It might be in comment or anything. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and all those things. You should tell people well. This helps you to increase your views. Now you should go to your tags and increase relevant tags. I know I didn't do this, but like I told you, I have YouTube has a data to fall on, but you as a small channel, please make sure you do this. Another thing you are going to check for is your categories. You can see my categories people and blog, but if you're a small channel and YouTube doesn't know so much about you again, you should put your category, change it to entertainment. Maybe you are posting about African folktales. If it's you blogging about, you can put it to people and blog. Now let's go back. So from here, always set your videos to not made for kids. Do you know why? If you set it to it's made for kids, YouTube will mostly restrict your videos to go and be showing kids, and that's not what we want. And you might say, okay, well, what if I want kids to watch my video as well? That's where you come to the age restriction and you put no. Don't restrict my viewers to my videos to viewers over 18 only. Now they can show it for kids as well. Now if you have any paid promotion here, I don't do any affiliate link or that, but if I was making a promotion for most of all these tools I use, I would come and put my video contains paid promotion like a product element, sponsorship, and advert. You understand? Altered content, mine is nothing about that, but if you are creating a folktale video, I think you should do yes. Now allow automatic chapter, yes, there's that. You put your tags and all of that. Now another thing I want to tell you is, and the final thing I want to tell you is, learn to emulate. I did not say you should copy 100% from your competitors, but try and emulate your competitors. What do I mean? Now for example, you're posting about African folktales and you can say, oh, this person has 7k subscribers and has 14k views under 11 months. Now let's see what made this video so special. You can come here, you watch the video, you can see the folktales, but I think no, this person doesn't have so many hashtags like that. Let's go to a bigger view. Okay, so 178k views. Don't need that voice. I think this person has removed his description because there's no way this video made up to all of this without hashtags and description. Let's go to this.
She rushed to his house.
Let's go to this. No, this is too small also, but you should be able to see their hashtag. You can copy their hashtags too and or add more for yourself and put on your video. Let me see if this will have hashtags as well. You can see some here. Thank you. This is what I was looking for. Thank God I got this before I left this video. I just want to check the time and make sure this video is not so long. You can see these hashtags. These are keywords and hashtags. You can see that's why this video has a very impeccable 214,000 views as combined to 33k. You can see this is about over 5x of the subscribers as well. You can see because of these folktales. So this is something you need to do as well. Copy all these folktales and all these tags here. Go and put it in your video. You understand? Go and put it, but I don't say you should copy everything 100%. Be learn to be creative. Copy half and put half. You understand me? So I hope if you enjoyed my channel, if you enjoyed this video, just give me a like. I'll be posting more content like this. Like I said, this is episode 1. Tune around for another episode. Thank you. Until next time. This is King's Classroom. Goodbye.